How to edit a message in Slack. Made an error in a text or a notice or a command, then definitely you can always edit a message. Firstly, go to the message or the place where you had sent a message. Simply tap on it, and over there you can see tomorrow meeting at 8 a.m. Simply hold the text that you have sent, reply in threads, save, or but this message is an error, so simply hold on it. There you can see at the first only edit message. Simply type over there. It was not am, it was at pm, and the timing was 1 pm, not 10. So enter the rectify the error, and then simply tap on this green icon. Like this, you can edit your error, your text, and your errors will be rectified within certain seconds.